bengi omwanju murigereria bwegeta seni kia Ndizi TV nigongo kwaregania asemesa ya mangana maya chinsa ni komi chiabono mogoroba inga kinte tetwe manya senchera yo bwenge nararia yagendete gukoreka asense ya Kenya nabo igo asorogongo rwagusi asibali moto bwatia wetera senchera ye mitandao tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital abonensemo ya Facebook nabo igo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube gose o tweet at Ndizi TV News asenchera yo bwikiranu kigima nabo igo nabo gutumekera kiao wetera se namba yesimi eyuere ase TV yao nyora nechitarike 23 umutenyino yo 5 na 3 omwaka bwechiri wibere na 22 chinga kibono chire egosere litukuli ya kabere magega yobo mabwazimio la moja 1 Kenya weikia ekina bosio wekigambero ekenene gya Supreme Court nenga kiaba Kenya bagenderete gusabwa kobaba toereru na kwenekia omorembe weika ekigambero kya ruro kona cha chitarikisano cyumutinyo kianda omwaka bwechiri wibere na 22 kwiranande asegeke kekerebosio egerankumanya yo manayanda mange asenchira yo bwenge Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nole tokubwatira nakomo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua auta tigatoya chake korwase county ya Nyamira abwase bono botumeki bwechinchera cyokubangoro iboro gati y'abasaba ke nigo bubwate obobobonge gwetania obuyabwaye ayamagega y'umurikito job maangi gotarera asenya gitari ya jamii ase county ya Nairobi ya Nyamira abwasa kwana n'umunyagitari Masi Kerubo oyotebire obobe obonge bogocha magega y'abasaba nge bagenda gutumeka oroiboro ose enchera yokubanga oroiboro asenchera etabwenereti
planning at the younger age less 20 years. They regulate periods and control pregnancy. Others who have acne zina clear. Halafu the side effects, as long as you may control pregnancy, you cannot control the STIs and the HIV. You can contract HIV even if you are on family planning method because they can't control or they can't protect. And another thing, they can, when you use it at a longer time, you can be infertile.
Chinga kibono abarokiwa baigure skuru asentunde ya kabere iyo mwakoyoiga wana nigo mubarobu abarokiwa bali basoete ase skuru wiki ya era litukoli aramisi olengo mokege kolenganiwa nabono iga chinga kibagendrete gosoa ase chiskuru muri kwitonde mo Steven na talira wika ase skuru ya daraja 2 secondary school abwasa kwana no mwalimu omonene gose senior teacher Samuel Komenda oyolenganire na kiaba arokiwa bagendrete kuirana ase chiskuru Komenda nigoboigo akwanire igoro ye chinga kichinkemono aborokiwa bagwenerete kuyaregania goche gokora amatemo manene yo mwakoyo abwasate birubuna amaba mange anyariko baga kwaka ense ya Kenya naro aireire ekalenda ya masomo gochenchi ya kera chingaki nonyanabo nigatebire bagucha kwerwa buna borokia na kwenekia bakorire syllabus ase chingaki chimwenerete eli aborokiwa konyora chingaki na gosoma asa matemo manene alibosio.
My name is Samuel Komenda, a teacher of English and literature at Daraja 2 Secondary School. We resumed school last week on Thursday. On that day, not many students turned up, but on Friday, 75% of them turned for studies. Then this week, at least almost all of them are back to school, and we are on with the school programs as before. All is well, only that there are constraints in terms of time to complete the syllabus, given that we lost 1 week when we went out for the elections. But all is well, all the programs are up and running, And we are doing our best as teachers, and the students are cooperating, and we hope that with time we'll clear the syllabus for this year as we prepare the Form 4 candidates for KCSE.
Komiti elia etenenerete okoroberia igoro yogotiani wako mugavana bwe county ya Kisii omugavana omochore Paul Simbarati no mokonyo ya Dr. Robert Munda nigo bono yatebire mirobere yonsi yaikiranire bosio bogotiani wako babirabo morobere oyo nigo ra koreke chitarike 25 litskoli alamisi asegetie kenene giechigosoli kia Gusii Stadium ayankorengana no county secretary Patrick Lumumba oyobono bolria Bagusii bonse gwesoke litukelio eliwocha kwenekia litukelio linene elio mugavana omachoro bwe county ya Kisii oyorache kwikirania magenderera mange ali alierete abamenyi chiira chingaki ale koligia ekirogekyo.
This is to inform you that the assumption of office of the County Governor Committee for Kisii County is at an advanced stage in the programming for the swearing in of the governor-elect, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, and Deputy Governor H.E. Dr. Robert Onsare Monda. Following the previous briefing, we hereby announce that the swearing-in ceremony shall be held on the 25th, the year of 2022, this Thursday at Gusii Stadium. This is as a result of the Kenya Gazette notice as prescribed in law number 98/94 dated 17th August 2022. Consequently, we hereby invite members of the public to attend in large numbers and witness the ceremony, which kicks off at 10 a.m. and this time is very strict because it's prescribed in law. Consequently, then the public is hereby requested to be seated by 9 a.m. on Thursday morning at Gusii Stadium. On behalf of the Committee of Assumption of Office of Governor, I thank residents of Kisii for remaining patient as we plan for this big day. I've been sitting together with the chairman of the Security Committee of Kisii County. Elaborate security arrangements have been put in place to ensure that the citizens of Kisii hold this function or this ceremony in a peaceful environment. I've got express assurance from the County Command of Police and more especially the chair of the Security Committee, who is our County Commissioner, that Kisii will be peaceful, and we are asking even the residents who are not already in Kisii to make travel arrangements to come to Kisii. Even our brothers and sisters who are abroad, they are encouraged to get tickets to be in Kisii by Thursday if they can, because Kisii will be extremely peaceful. We expect the stadium of Kisii to fill to capacity.
Omosacha oyomo kefa ondimu korwa sensema ya ibacho egotoka se wodi ya Kiamukama niko bono abekirwe byara n'abanyanyimbo nakoirwa segeta seni ky'abanyanyimbo kyaramasha eyemagega yaye ondimu gosamba kinyumba kyaye kyonsi nakolema embera yaye ase nyumba yaye ime echo anyara ko bakagusamba nigo yatebekanire buna omukagero oyo nigatugete amano mugambi bwensemeyo gakonya na gotumeka enyasore eywekanire amone serikali korengana no murugyoye oyo bwesokire na gukwana negetaseni kya Ndizi TV nigatebire magega yo mugakoye gusamba kinyumba na kiregento kyalengeime nigo batigaire bosa abwasasabire abasamaria abo gwanchoku yako mokonya eliyokonyora kende anyariko bakagokonya abana bae
wiki ya edeteri tukulia Friday umugambi akerachire kubwati nga dawa ya kurefi bono wansire mbako kwone egaikera bono mugambi omukanirie kiera ere kinyume yesheria amaene nabakurire tugosamba none chinyumba nyumba teyo ero nonye nemo musakolgeri na omuro chibuna chiyete amaena akairane yaito enene no ari mete kabulime eyeda nyalikane tosoe nyumba eyo ebintu byabana amaene no biyerete imba keregento no keyerete imba mpaka chianga chiakira omuntu igabo nante nene iga maene timbu atikende yonsi igonte nene iga none chimbegete ngana basani bangonyire gakingwanja kubaburia abaminto onyore mu wanja ga mokonye familia yiga abana banyare kwende school buna rero iga nanda bale ba class 8 igo bare abana babere class 8 rimo egere bagende nari barati kunyara gukora amatemu abo buya nonye ne bitabu banyore nonye ne karamu banyore no
aba obisa baba chenu imense ya Kenya anene korwase county ya Migori nigo besokire na kubolia aba Kenya bonsi koesaba na gusibia maokabo chinga kichonsi eliobwetanga korwasa marwere ao gati yabo kwambokera kwebinyinyi bya COVID-19 gati ya marwirande akoretwa amanobo chabu bwa maboko nigo boigo batebirie aba Kenya koba maiso na kugendera kubika ebitamba byo gotuba chimioro gosechi mask eliobwetanga no burwere wa COVID-19 obubwarorekanire botaraera gwikabono nigo boigo yanyorekanire na marwira mange nigakoretwa asengencho abantu batali kubwatia machiko bunayo gwesaba maboko na kubeka chimask.
Is that during the pandemic, gastroenteric diseases, when you look at the data, they came down, and probably COVID was a blessing in disguise. That shows that we should continue on the same path. We should not stop washing our hands. Even before COVID, the Department of Health had advocated for personal hygiene and environmental hygiene.
Aba koli emeremo ase factory ya Mumias nigo bono bakorero korobekana kwa murembe abo ase baganeti umuteneneri bwe company yo kogenda ka osegwetigia emeremo eyenkorengana n'abakoli emeremo abo nigo batebire umuteneneri yo bwe company yo ya Mumias tali koligereria oborendi gati y'abakoli emeremo asensemeyo korengana nabarabo bwangoiga niga abakoli babere emeremo ase company yo banyara ko babagusiria amagimabo abo asebatebire omunya gosomoteneri oyo tali kunyara ko baga kuligireria igoro yobolendi bwabo chingaki bali mirimo
mali kwa sugar factory kama hiyo boiler ni kama time bomb. Hakuna vile unaweza anzisha boiler ambayo haijakuwa maintained na bila kuangalia safety ya wafanyikazi wetu. Factory ukienda kama process house ilikuwa na a lot of wear, tear and wear, na most of parts zilikuwa zimezeeka na zimewear kabisa. Huyo jamaa allege kwa ukora ya kwamba alifanya maintenance. Hakuna maintenance ilifanyika pale, na hii imekuja kudhihirika wakati wafanyikazi walienda pale kufanya kazi. Like one of them ni mtu anaitwa Dickson Inganga George ambaye amekufa kifo ambayo haina heshima yoyote, kifo mbaya.
Kenya Commercial Bank wakati ilileta huyu jamaa ilimuleta ili afufue kiwanda, lakini ya ajabu kwamba juzi uliona hata kwa mtandao huyu mwenye alimuleta receiver manager anamuandikia barua kwamba mimi bwana wewe Sarai nilikutuma kule katika kiwanda cha Mumias ufanye cleaning, yani apanguze. Akamkana kabisa ya kwamba mimi sikukutuma pale ufanye operations. Lawyer wake alimuandikia, lawyer wa receiver manager, ambayo it was very clear. Mimi nashangaa huyo jamaa anasikia sheria gani yeye anaheshimu? Amepata court order, anararua, amepata court order nyingine, anararua ili asimame. Lakini anaendelea na kazi. Je, huyo jamaa ako ni nani anamsukuma? Godfather ni nani?
Ni kwa nini court orders napeanwa kwa Sarai na anakataa kufuata court orders? Inamaanisha ameanza kucolonize Kenya ama tuulize namna gani? Nauliza Madam Martha Koome, Justice Martha Koome. Kesi ya Mumias imeshinda koti za Kenya.
Omo Governor Omochore bwe county ya Uasin Gishu Jonathan B niga gotia ni wachitarike 25 cyumutenyo yo 5 na 3 omwaka uyo korengana ne committee elietenenerete igoro yokoroberia asogotia ni wa kumo governor yo nigo batebire merobire yonsi yaikiranire asebaigo baburira abamenyi kurwase county yo wesokia sobonge chitarike echo eliogocha kwenekia omo Governor Omochore bwe county yo ya Uasin Gishu gocha gotianiwa na gocha kemeremo bene asobokoreri ime county hiyo.
Inasema ya kwamba sherehe ya kuapishwa kwa gavana inafaa kufanyika mbele ya kila mtu akiona, na hata saa ya kufanyika imewekwa kwa sheria. Inafaa kuwa hiyo ceremony ya swearing in inafanywa kutoka saa 4 hadi saa 8, haifai kupita hapo. Kwa hivyo tunataka kuomba wananchi wetu wakuje Mipango yote iko tayari, maandalizi imepangwa. Tutakuwa na jaji wa mahakama kuu ambaye atakuwa yeye ndiye atapreside over the ceremony, the swearing in bit, na kutakuwa na mambo mengine ambayo yatafanyika kuhusiana na hiyo procedure. Kwa hivyo tukiwa hapa pamoja na members wa committee, tunaomba wananchi waweze kufika kwa saa ili tuweze witness ama tuweze kushuhudia
Nemerobelio ya ikiranire boigo ase kaunti ya Murang'a abwaso mugavano Machole bwensemeyo Irungu Kang'ata agocha gotianiwa nere ritiko ria Alamisi ase getia kenene kia Ihura ase ensemeyo kulengana n'umunyakirogo tenenerete committee yo Patrick Mukuria nigatebire merobelio yonsi ya elire na kwaregania abamenyi bonsi koro ase kaunti ya Murang'a weika ase getia kiokia Ihura eliogocha kwenekia buna Irungu Kang'ata uyoro mugavano Machole agocha gotianiwa.
Dr. Irungu Kang'ata atakuwa anaapishwa kuwa gavana wa kaunti ya Murang'a. Kwa hivyo hiyo kamati imekuwa ikitayarisha mambo kama hiyo, kutayarisha miradi ambao tumekuwa tukifanya ndio akifika ajue kaunti iko wapi, kuangalia rasilimali za kaunti, pia tutakuwa tunampatia mambo kama hayo na mengine mengi. Kwa hivyo tumejitayarisha kabisa, kila kitu iko shwari. Mnajua kilele ya hiyo sherehe itakuwa ni wakati atakuwa anapatiwa zile instrument of power ambao tutapeana ile bendera ya county na ile muhuri ya county pia tutampatia constitution ili kuonyesha kwamba utawala umetoka pande hii umeenda mahali ingine. Kwa hivyo tunauliza watu members of the public wajitokeze kwa wingi ili tuweze kujumuika pamoja kwa hii siku ambao ni ya kipekee.
Nara yo sebono chinsa ikomi chabano maragoba asenchira yo bwenge kurende amange chikoraga chinsa osense mo yabono botuko no cheko ya nyora asenchira yo bwekera numbia mono gwachora Ndizi TV nero bwansu bomugusi olibona kyachi bichana mariogi awekera senchira yo botoereru nigakoro kwa Petronila Mukeira no leto watrana komo korwa sense mo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inse nako yaletera senchira yo bwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.